Welcome back to the Mashed Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today, I wanted to do a quick product review on this new food dehydrator that I recently purchased from Amazon. Not sure if you know this or not, but you can't really find food dehydrators in the store anymore. Everybody's switching over to these air fryers, and I actually looked at Target, looked at Walmart, looked at Meijer, looked at Sam's Club, nothing. Everybody has air fryers. So I jumped online to see what I could find, and the selection was a bit overwhelming, to be honest with you. And since I found one that I really like, I wanted to share it with you today. This one is made by VIVOHOME. It's a 400 watt food dehydrator. This one has 5 food trays. It cost me $80. The temperature range goes from 95 degrees to 158 degrees. And the timer goes from 0 to 24 hours. So this one gets 4.5 stars out of about 3,000 ratings on Amazon, which is quite good. And I actually, while I was doing a little bit of research about this thing, I just found out that they sell one that has 8 food trays for just $10 more. I kind of wish I had purchased the bigger one, but this one actually, I was able to fit 4 pounds of chicken on it, which made a big bag of chicken jerky. I just finished up a video doing Guamanian style chicken jerky. It turned out really good. I'll put a link up in the corner if you wanted to watch it. But anyway, I got this from Amazon. As I mentioned, it was just $80. I was really happy with its usability. It's quite simple to use. I actually recorded how you set it, how you change the temperature and all that stuff. So I'll show that to you right now. Alright, let me quickly show you how to use this thing. First of all, you simply hit the power button and then hit the set button. You can set the timer anywhere from 0 hours up to 24 hours in 30-minute increments. Then just simply hit the set button again and you can set the temperature. This goes in 9-degree increments from 95 degrees up to 158 degrees. Once you get it to the desired time and temperature, all you have to do is hit the play button and it will run at the requested time and temperature and shut off automatically. This thing is super easy to use. I really liked it. Wanted to mention a couple other things. I bought the model with 5 trays. It goes for about $80 on Amazon. They do have another model that has 8 trays that goes for about $93. I didn't quite pack the meat on as tight as I could have. If I had packed it on there a bit tighter, I think I would have been able to squeeze about 1 pound per tray for a total of 5 pounds. Also, you will want to rotate the trays throughout the heating process. The trays on the bottom are closer to the heat source and tend to dry out just a little bit quicker. Also, cleanup is super easy. All you do is soak the trays in hot water and for a couple of hours, and that food scrapes off quite easily. I really liked this machine. I will put a link in the description of this video if you wanted to purchase one on Amazon. The cleanup in the bottom tray was also quite easy. So I do plan on trying out a few more recipes with my food dehydrator, specifically more chicken jerky and beef jerky recipes, stuff that I can take out into Utah on my upcoming camping trips. So keep an eye out for those videos, but in the meantime, thanks for watching the Mashed Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.